Have you ever wondered how to place your designs or artwork in a realistic setting to showcase them? In this video, I will be showing you ways to make the most of graphic mockups to elevate your designs. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then please hit the subscribe button, and remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description. So what is a mockup? A mockup is a model of a design or a product, typically used for presentations. Think of it as a way of showing what your product or what your design looks like in a real life setting. So you might have a design or an artwork that you want to place on a t-shirt or on a pen, on a mug, to show your customers, to show your end users how they look like when they are placed on real life products. And this could, go a long way to convince your customers to buy that particular artwork. In this video, I will be showing you how to make the most of mockups using two applications. The first one is Smartmockups and the second is Photoshop. So Smartmockup is a website that you can easily go to and kind of start using their mockups. You can sign up for the free trial, and if you want more of the feature, pay for a paid subscription, or you can try doing it yourself using Photoshop. So if this is something you're interested in, then keep watching. The first method I want to show you is to use smartmockups.com. You can type it on your URL search bar or just search it on Google and it will bring you the results. Smartmockups.com is such a fantastic website that basically allows you to upload your designs and lets you place them on various everyday items like t-shirts, like mugs, like laptop screens, like business cards. So at the top here you can see all the option for all mockups. Under technology you see smartphones, laptops, watch, desktops. Under print you can see that you have the option to put your designs on brochures, on magazines, business cards. On the apparel you have t-shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, accessories. In the home and decor section you have mugs, pillows and others. Quite a few selections to choose from. You will be spoilt for choice. For the sake of this tutorial, we're going to be putting our designs on two items. One will be a t-shirt and the second will be a mug. I need to go to the apparel category, click on t-shirt, t-shirt, and if you notice a padlock icon on this product, because they are premium mockups, so you need to select free and it will give you the free mockups for you to use. If you're not willing to spend money and you're just looking for a quick mockup to put your artwork on, then I would recommend that you use the free options. So let's click on this lady, and the mockup will load up, and on the right hand side here you see the option to upload your artwork. So you can either upload from Dropbox, Canva, or upload your image from your computer. So that's what we're going to do. So we'll click on upload image, and I have designed this artwork before that we'll be using, and I saved it as a PNG. It doesn't have a background, so you can place it on any background. Once you import it into smartmockups.com, then you will have the opportunity to adjust it so that the artwork is positioned exactly how you want it to. And once you're happy, then you can click on crop and continue, and it will show you how that design looks. Isn't that great? So all you need is love. That's a t-shirt, and once you're happy, then you can simply download it. Underneath, if you scroll just down, you can see some more suggestions showcase your t-shirt. So let's just say you're selling a t-shirt and you want to show people how that design looks on a man, a child, in different settings. This lady is in a coffee shop, you know, someone is in a gym, just to give people an idea of how that artwork will look on a t-shirt in a real life, in a real world setting. Like I said before, this would go a long way in helping you convince your customers, convince your target audience that this is something they'd like to wear, this is fashionable, this is cool. It's different when you show people and people can actually visualize how your designs will look on everyday products. Once you're happy with that, then you click download. You can decide the image quality you want to download it in. Let's just choose medium and it will download the design for you. Yeah, and there you are. You can see the design with your artwork, how it looks on a t-shirt. The second mockup I want us to try to use is that of a mug. So I'll go to Home and Decor and select mugs. Keeping in mind that when you see this padlock icon here, it signifies that those mockups are premium, so you need to upgrade to one of their plans to be able to use that. Select this one here and select the artwork and then adjust it. So here we are. Once you're happy with the placement of the artwork, then you can crop and continue, and it displays how that artwork would look like on the mug. And once you're happy, again, you download to your computer. So the second method I want to show you guys is on Photoshop, and this is if you're feeling adventurous or you want to try your hands at doing this. Or perhaps you find a mockup that is not readily available in Smartmockups, one of your pictures that you've taken yourself that you want to put, you know, your artwork on, then this tutorial will show you how to do exactly that. I've already imported a picture. I found a royalty-free picture found on Pixabay here, and it's free to download, and I've just imported it into Photoshop. We want to place the artwork within this section. Some of you might think it would be so easy as, you know, just placing the artwork here and that'll be the end of it. However, that will restrict you down the line, and I say that because if you have a picture of your website that you want to put on that screen, then you might want to do it this other way I will show you. Go to the left hand side menu here and go to the rectangle tool, or select U on your keyboard, right click, select the rectangle tool and just draw out a rough rectangle. Yep. And here change the color to let's say this green one. It really doesn't matter what color you use. Go to edit, select transform and skew, and this is basically where we try to match the shape of the screen as best as we can. There we go. I should probably zoom in. Let's say 50%, 60% rather. I'll try to make it as natural as possible, as closely fitted to the shape of the screen as possible. So once you're happy, then select enter, and what you do is to select on that layer and go to convert, go to filter, convert for smart layers. So select that, and basically this will convert that layer to a smart object. So what happens is that when you select that, it opens your selection on another document for you to actually play with. I'll first of all change the color, the background color of this to white. I could have done it from the get-go, but yeah, I'll just do it this way. I'll change it to white and I will import my artwork. So by going to File, Place, Embedded, and selecting all you need is Love Artwork, and here you are. So without doing any tweaks, let's just save it, Control S, and go back to our original design to see how it looks. See how that looks? So let's go, yeah, see how the design looks now. So basically any update you make here, let's say we add a little box here, a pink box, right? Save it. It will automatically show here. You can do this for anything. You can do this for a laptop, for a phone, for a notepad, for a pen. You just need to follow the same steps and you'll get amazing results each time. So that's it, guys. If this video was helpful, then give it a thumbs up and remember to hit the notification icon so that you will be notified when I release another video. Before you go, why not check out the top video to my left here showing you how to create 4 variations of a logo in just 10 minutes, and at the bottom how to create a high converting thumbnail to get more views. See you in the next video.